That's what they've been waiting for. She's the bird lady. Yes. Look at him. Yes. Oh my goodness. They're not fucking stupid, are they? She likes vermin. Lovely lady. Hello, bird lady. Are you okay? Yes. They fucking love her, man. It's like fucking Home Alone. Yeah, give the rats some as well. She loves vermin. And the vermin love her. Nice. Yeah, the rats have been waiting as well. Everyone's eating tonight. She's going now. Oh. We'll be back. Alright. Look at all the rats out now, man. Yeah, she's feeding the animal, the vermin, innit? But, you know what I mean? It's not cool. I'm calling rats now, though. Come on. There's got to be 5, 6, 7 there, man. I'll try and get a bit closer, but is she doing a good thing? Look at this. Look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know. There's a few there. Feeding the fucking flying rats and the rats. Yes, man. My guy, innit? How long are you here for? Yeah, I'll be back. I'm just going to get a little munch. Yes! I like this guy. I can't remember his name. Never can remember his name. I'm going to ask him. Bit of advice, ask for a review when people have finished the food. You know what I mean? Right, you're going online for that. Yeah, the step's active. Can't be arsed, I'm getting off. It's not one of them nights.